Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of Archaeological Survey of India, ASI? 1. It functions under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. 2. It is responsible for archaeological research and the protection of cultural heritage in India. 3. It was founded in 1861 by Alexander Cunningham. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer D. Statement 1 is correct. The Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, is an attached office of the Ministry of Culture. Earlier it was linked with the Department of Culture, but now fully functions under the Ministry of Culture. Statement 2 is correct. ASI's core functions include archaeological excavation, exploration, conservation of ancient monuments, epigraphy, and museum management. It also ensures preservation of more than 3,600 monuments of national importance. Statement 3 is correct. The ASI was formally established in 1861 by Alexander Cunningham, who later became its first Director General. Consider the following with reference to John Marshall's Conservation Manual, 1923. 1. It was the first comprehensive guide on the conservation of ancient monuments in India. 2. It laid down scientific principles for preservation, emphasizing minimum intervention. 3. It continues to serve as a reference for the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, in conservation practices. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer C. Statement 1 is correct. John Marshall, the Director General of ASI, 1902 to 1928, authored the Conservation Manual in 1923. It was the first systematic and comprehensive guide to monument conservation in India. Statement 2 is correct. Marshall stressed scientific methods in restoration, following international best practices of the time. He emphasized preservation over reconstruction, meaning only essential interventions should be made to prevent damage, but original character must be retained. Statement 3 is correct. Even today, ASI refers to Marshall's manual as a guiding document.